Hi, my dear students, and welcome to my channel, Intelligent Institute of Education. Today, I would like to give you the concept of logical operator. Fine. So, these logical operators are and, or, and not. So, before teaching, I would like to tell you I have already lecture lecture videos uploaded, that is what is the concept of operator, and I have uploaded arithmetic operator, and I have uploaded assignment operator, and today I have uploaded comparison operator. So this is also called as a relational operator. So please, my advice that please watch this all series of videos so you can understand it, right? And today I made a plan, so I'm going to upload for the concept of logical operator, how this behaves in a programming. So after uploading, inshallah, I will make you questions. I will go through the questions, like when you are going to enter in a mall and you are going to buy some items, right? So there will be some percentages, like you are going to buy 5,000, like INR or SAR or dirham, fine. So how many percentage is mall is going to give? Like 10,000. So this type of problem I will solve, and also employee seat calculations, and as well as when you are going to calculate grade seat, like your percentage, like fluctuating from 90% plus above and below 80%, 70%, 60%. So inshallah, next video, I will try to upload problem solving based on logical operators. Right. So before starting, now I want to share with you. So I will share first whiteboard. Fine. So in that, what I will do, I will teach you the concept of how this logical operator working. Fine. Like logical operator, we have AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. So first of all, I will give you the concept, then I will move to the programming concept, right? So let me take here pen. So, and after pen color, maybe I will go for this dark purple. So now I am going to tell you AND. Okay. First, I will give you the concept of AND. So when I was in junior engineer in a polytechnic, so they explain in detail. So I will try to explain. So this will be the logic of that, and the this is the diagram we have here. Like this is called, and let me take the eraser. Okay, so this will be AND operator. This, and here you have one output, and we have two input, and this all two input we can give any notation, like any previous, like I'm giving here X and I'm giving here Y, and this Z will be the output. So X and Y is two input and Z is output. So exactly what is the expression, how we can represent this? So right, so basically AND operator based on dot product, this is a multiplication, X into Y equal to Z. This is the formula that we have to apply in that truth table. Now how we can write this truth table? So we can write here this X and then Y and then this Z. So we can start from here. This 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. This logical itself, that is called a binary number. Basically, this behave, this work in the form of binary number. Okay, not any other number. Fine. So here X and Y, when we can pass this 0, 0, and with the help of dot product, so 0 into 0 output will be 0. Fine. Next, when we are giving X will be 0, X will be 0, and Y will be 1. 0 into 1. So while with the help of this expression 0 into 1, so is this will be the here 1. Fine. Next, when we are going to pass, x value will be 1 and y value will be 0. 1 into 0, 1 into 0, again here will be 0. Sorry, the previous value 0 into 1, it will be 0, not 1. Sorry. Fine. Now, at last, x value is 1 and y value is 1. So y into y, sorry, 1 into 1. So this output will be 1. So 1. Now, what we got, the summary of this. The summary of this, when both x and y will be true, when both condition will be true, then output will be true. Or anyone, so it means data false. Is this clear? Keep in mind, in AND, when both condition will be true, then output will be true. Fine. Now, I will tell you the very simple in OR, then I will move to the in practical OR. Basically, OR symbol, I will change the color. I will change the color. Now I will take a dark red. Okay. Now, this is called OR, like somewhat we can say fish. Okay. And this is the output. In this also we have two input. Now this I am going to represent x and y. Same. It will be because I have very less space, so we can utilize this space. This is clear? X and y, and output is here z. Same truth table. This is I am going to write here and this will be for or. So it will be quite easy and we can utilize our space. Fine. So here we have two input x and y. Let me tell you one thing. This is for and now for or we can do x plus y equal to z. Fine. This is the logic or formula expression we are going to apply in or. Right. So here same truth table, 0 and 0, when we are passing, this will be 0 and this will be 0. So 0 plus 0, output will be 0. Fine. Next, x will be 0 and x will be 0 and y will be 1. According to this expression, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, so it will be here 1. Is this all right? Any doubt? Please write in comment section. Okay, so I can understand, and according to you I can answer it, because this video I'm making for you. Fine. Next, x will be 1 and y will be 0. So 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, output will be 1. And finally we have x will be 1 and y will be 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1, it will be 10. So we are writing here 1 and 0 will be truncate. So what is the summary of this? Now summary of this, in OR operator, any one will be true. When any one will be true, then output is the true. Anyone is true, see, anyone is true, output is true. Anyone is true, output is true. When both is true, so both is output is true. So this is the difference between and or. In and, basically both input has to be true. Both input. This. And or any one condition. Is this clear? Please tell me. Write in comment section. Yes, this is the clear. Fine. And last again I am going to change the color for not. Now I'm going to check the color black. Okay. Now this is called a not. The basically not symbol I am going to write. This is like a triangle shape, and here we have to use one bullet. Okay, so this is the input and this is the output. So it gives a reverse of that. Like for example, I am giving here x, so this x will be the bar. What is the meaning of this? What does mean? It means that when x will be 0, it means that false. Then output will be true, 1. And when input will be, that is called a true, that is a 1. So here this will be 0, false. Just the reverse. If you are giving here false, output will be true. If input will be true, output will be false. So now here, do you have any problem in AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate? Because this problem based on logical operator based on this here. If you can understand this, then we can understand that also. Is this clear? So if you have any problem, please write in comment section. And you got it? You understood? Right? Yes, sir. I got it. I understood it. Is this clear? Now I'm going to share with you Jupyter notebook. Okay. So you can understand better. So logical of yes. So now see here. So now this is the Jupyter notebook I'm going to share with you here. Like for example, I'm going to take one variable x. X is equal to the variable, the values I'm going to assign here 10. You can also make a program with the help of input statement, right? So next video means tomorrow I will upload the problem with input statement and without input statement also. Fine. So here y, the value like I'm going to give here 5. Okay. And now here I will give you some expressions. Fine. So expression is that like print. I'm going to use here x, that is called double equal to. It means that now I'm going to use comparison. Fine. So here y, and now here and 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 again x greater than y. Fine. So what I will do, I will copy this all. It will become easy. I will show the different problem. Control C and control V, and here again control V, and let it be here. Or I will do one thing. Let's see here. X value is here 10 and Y value we have here 5, right? Now I am using and here X greater than Y in first expression. Like comment first expression. Number one. So X value is 10 and Y value is here 5. So this is not equal. Fine. First false. Now I'm using here and X greater than Y. Of course, X is greater than Y. So this condition is true and this can false. So what we got here, what we just now learned, if both condition has to be true, then it will give the answer true. So you got here false. Why? Because one is true, this is false, and this is true. So answer will be false, right? I will make a comment this. Okay. I will explain a step by step so you can understand it. Run this. False. Now what I will do, I will make this y also is 10. Y will be also 10. It means x value is 10, y value is 10. Fine. Here x double equal to y. Of course, this is right. Now x greater than 10, I can use here is equal to. Greater than is equal to. Now execute this command. So now become here say true. It means that both condition is true. So in and already we have done practice. So in both condition will true, then output will be true. Is it all right? Now I'll take the copy and paste. Here I'll use comment for and operator and operat operator. Okay. Now here I will use for or operator or oper operator. Fine. So what I will do here, I will make here or. Okay. I will make here or, and I will make here y101. So now just check here. X double equal to y. Okay. It means is the x value, x is 10 and y value is 101, and or x greater than equal to y. It means that both condition is true. Here first condition also true because this is not, the value is not equal, right? This value is not equal because the value of x is 10 and y is 101. So of course this is not equal. And already just now we have studied where this or anyone will be true, output will be true. But here x greater than equal to y, yani it means that false. Both condition false. It means that output will be false. Let's execute and check it. See here false. Now what I will do, I will make here x value 102. Okay, one will be true and one will be false. See, x double equal to y. x equal to y. So this is false because both value is not equal. Or x greater than equal to y. Of course, x value we have here 102 and y value we have here 101. It means that this false. So according to or one condition is false and one condition is true. So output will be in this true. Check here. Or I will do one thing. This I will make a copy. Okay. So that will be good. Now execute this. Condition is true. Is this clear? Any doubt? No. Next, what we have to do now, I will explain just not. Then I will close this. Okay. I'm going to paste this here. Okay. Now, now on answer we got here true. I will use here this not. Okay. And this close this. Execute this. We got here false. It means that here see not is negation. Like here first we got here true. On true I have used here not. Is this clear? Not. So you got here just opposite here false. Other example, take the here other cell and I will tell you other example. Like m value is 10 and n value is 11. N value is 11. Here I will use like print. I will tell you n greater than equal to m. Okay, execute this. What you got here true, but here you can get negation. Apply the not operator. Okay, and this, so it will become here. Take the new cell. We'll execute this. We came here false. See, before it was before applying, before applying not, before applying not. Execute this. It was true, but same logic, same question I have written here, and I use here not. So when it will be when you are passing true, output will be false. Fine. Any doubt? So now I am going to stop sharing here and watch this all operator like arithmetic operator and assignment operator. And today I'm going to upload this logical operator. So and please watch it, and you are going to face any problem, please write in comment section. And tomorrow I will use problem with the help of logical operator how we are going to solve this. Thank you very much.